Hello, I'm Maggie from Mag Golden Wheat Kitchen. Today I'm making a bread loaf with dry yeast, or you can use instant yeast. And the first we starting, we pour 300-gram water and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix it very well. And water should be in a room temperature or around 90 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Then we add the yeast. We mix it very well. After that, we letting it rest for around 5 to 10 minutes until you see all the bubble coming. Then we do the rest. And if you want to know, for all the ingredient is 300-gram water, 1 package dry or instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 400-gram flour, 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, we let it rest until 5 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, that's how it looks like. It's all bubbly. Now we add 400-gram flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. I add the salt to the flour, mix it a little bit, and then add it to the mixture. Mix and combine until you see a soft dough. This I like to a little bit wet the countertop. Put the dough out. I like to a little bit slap and fold the dough. It helps for the structure of the gluten and it make it much better bread. Okay. I wet my hand a little bit, then it's a little bit sticky, but some people, they just with the bowl scraper in the bowl, they doing that. You can do that too, but I like it to get my hands on the dough. It helps to have a smooth and better dough. Okay, now we can put it back in the bowl. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Put it and cover it. Let it sit for 30 minutes. We'll come back there. Okay, after 30 minutes, now we're doing the stretch and fold. Now you see the dough is much easier to handle. If you look, it's really nice, smooth. We do the stretch, fold from all four sides. After we do that, we just put it like a bowl and cover it for another 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, we do the second stretch and fold. Also, you can do the stretch and fold in the bowl. You don't need to take it out. I like to put it in a counter, but if I want to show you, you can do this too. The four side, you a little bit do this, and that's another way to do it. Just fold it, and then we let it rise until it doubles. Now, if it depends on your room temperature. If it's cold, you can put it in an oven. Make sure your oven is off, only the light is on. And if around 75 is good, to just put it on the table. And sometimes it takes 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours, sometimes 2 hours. It depends of how warm is your room temperature. Okay, I'll come back until then. Okay, this is after 3 hours. It's really make double in size. Wow. Dust with flour your countertop, and also dust your Benetton basket. Dust it with flour, and now put the dough on the countertop. Okay, put the smooth side down and the sticky side up. Gently pull the dough to rectangle shape. Okay. Now take the left third of the dough, fold it over the middle third, and the same of opposite side. Now roll it like that. Tight the seam. Tight all the seam. Make sure it's all tight. Now put it in a basket. Cover it. Let it sit for another hour. In meantime, preheat oven to 450 Fahrenheit with Dutch oven inside, 30 minutes before baking. If you don't have a Dutch oven, you can use the Pyrex with a lid. Make sure it's oven safe, or some oven safe pot with a lid. Okay, I'll be back in an hour. Now flip the dough on a parchment paper, seam side down. Very patiently. Okay. And grab your razor. You can slash it from one end to other end, or you can slash it whatever design you want it. I just want a simple design, and then after slash it, you can take out the Dutch oven very carefully. It should be very hot. Put it in a Dutch oven with the lid on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and bake it for another 20 minutes. Okay. See you in after that. If you look at it, it's really nice, really gorgeous, and we put it in a wire for around 2 hours before slicing it, and I'll come back in a 2 hours to slice it for you. Now after 2 hours, we're gonna slice it. See how it looks like. It's really nice, gorgeous, and it's so crunchy but soft. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.